Hi, I'm Mike Terry.
And I'm Ted Rose.
We're here from Chemcoaters, and we wanted to just talk to you for a minute about one of our products. That's InterCoat ChemGuard, which is a product that goes on any zinc-coated substrate and will enhance corrosion and also enhance in your processing while you're working material through your plant. Ted's going to show you a little bit about what we're talking about.
Along with corrosion testing, we also put the ChemGuard through its paces and check out things like welding abilities of it, and we also do testing to see how it would perform for you if you're doing stamping or roll forming. In this example, what I have here is things that we set through to do some stamping trials. What I have here are all hot dip galvanized substrate, all of them the same material. And to start the test, what we did was we used a bare piece of hot dip galvanized, and it was put in a machine that actually stretched the material, and once it hit its breaking point, the machine would shut down. The maximum that the machine would go would be anywhere from 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches. At this point right here on just bare hot dip galvanized, we had 12,000 pounds of pressure, and it only made it out to 0.896 inches before it cracked. The second sample is hot dip galvanized with a light oil on it. And a lot of times the stamping plants use a light oil when they are stamping pieces. And as you can see here, we had the same amount of pressure, which was 12,000. We made it out to 1 inch. Then we put our ChemGuard material in there, and this is just our plain ChemGuard with no additives or anything. And again, we really didn't fare much better than the bare hot dip. We were at a 9,000 pound pressure, which was a little bit lower, and we made it out to just over 1/2 inch. But then we also have the ability to put an internal lube into our ChemGuard product. And this sample here shows it at, again, 9,000 pounds of pressure, but it made it all the way out to in between 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. It was at 1.372. So you can see that our internal lubricant did a lot to help out as drawing quality, which help you in the end where you don't have to use any oil or as much oil, and help with cleanliness of your plant too.
And so Ted's going to show you now with the added corrosion protection why this is a product that really enhances two totally separate things, one on your process and one in your end product.
Then what we did was we took the same material that we ran through and we put it into salt spray testing. As you can see here, this is hot dip galvanized bare that was put into the stamping simulation, and at this point in time we had 276 hours before you really seen a lot of the red rust building up. But on some of the ChemGuard product, in the same examples as I showed you as the stamping, we went out, this is 276 hours on the ChemGuard bare. So you can see in the field here, there's no rust at all, and even where the ChemGuard was stretched out, you don't see any of the red rust that you do there. We also took it out to the 1.5 inch pieces that we did, and again, 276 hours compared to the hot dip galvanized, and you can see that in the fields, no red rust, white rust just starting to form a little bit here. So even though the product does get stretched out, it is also still giving you the corrosion protection that you are looking for.
So it works out great because it helps you in your process and gives your customer a product that's 4 to 5 times more corrosion resistant than it would be without the ChemGuard. We feel that it's something that could be of value to not only you with your current customers, but it can certainly help you with places that you might want to talk to people about problems that they're having internally as well as out in the field. So I'd encourage you to check out our website. Again, it's Chemcoaters. We're in Gary, Indiana, and this is InterCoat ChemGuard. So take a look and give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Ted and Mike, Chemcoaters, the number is 708-715-7759. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.